Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy.
First Little Readers, In My Pocket by Liza Charlesworth. Do you want to see what is in my pocket? Do you want to see what is in my pocket? I have a special stone. I have a special stone. I have a special shell. I have a special shell. I have a special feather. I have a special feather. I have a special leaf. I have a special leaf. I have a special penny. I have a special penny. I have a special hamster. His name is Lenny. I have a special hamster. His name is Lenny.